welcome to Conversations with Seekers. Here we discuss many things which are relevant to all seekers everywhere.
Why a seeker? In life, when you realize that you have so many desires and your desires are getting fulfilled, but still there's no feeling of long-lasting satisfaction, then you set into a path where you want change to feel satisfied, and that's how I set into a path of becoming a seeker.
Yeah, for me, there is no alternative. Uh, you have to be authentic and true to your own self. I was led to become a seeker because the whole body gave up. So, unless I started doing the right practices, eating right, sleeping right, doing the right things, there was no alternative. I had to do it. But when I am on this path, a curiosity and a desire to do more, to know more has arisen. So I am hoping that because it started with small changes for me. So let's talk about the small changes first, and then how it led to the bigger changes we will talk about in the later videos.
So leading a life, implementing these small changes are very important, because then it eventually integrates into, like you said, bigger changes in life. So one of the biggest, change I wanted to bring in was in the environment, because a lot of us are doing, not just doing nothing, actually adding on to the woes of the environment. So one of the things that I do as a change is, use this waste plastic bottles and the smaller wrappers. This, for example, is a battery wrapper. Just put it in the waste plastic bottles, and what it helps to achieve is, these waste is very difficult for the segregators to segregate, and it eventually lands up in the oceans and in the bellies of the aquatic animals. So with this small change, if everybody does it at their own level, this can help in reducing the pollution overall.
Yes, absolutely. It reduces your garbage size also. So it is useful for you also.
Yeah.
The second change that we both have done is with the cups. So right now most of the women are using sanitary napkin, and I was telling her about this story that I read, and that really shook me, and from where I wanted to come out of sanitary pads was that in a book Norwegian Wood, the girl is describing to the boy that, can you look over there in the far corner? He says, yeah, I can look. There is a smoke coming. Do you know what that smoke is of? He says, I don't know. She says that those are the sanitary pads that are burning. And that really shook me. The amount of sanitary pads that I have used over my lifetime, they have not gone anywhere. They are sitting somewhere in the garbage, and in Japan they burn it. In India, I think probably they don't even burn it. They go into the landfills. So how bad it is for the environment. Can you imagine that? So I, got the courage, and in some way, because my friends encouraged me, like I am encouraging you, somebody encouraged me to try this, and they couldn't stop talking about it. And now we can't stop talking about it because this is just an amazing change, not just for the environment. It is an amazing change for you, because once the cup is inside your body, it doesn't, you don't even remember that it is there. So you can run, jog, swim, you can do whatever you do on a normal day. It's like you are a normal human being now. You are not labeled as, that girl who is having periods. So we have this freedom now.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
The change can be motivated by an external factor, but it benefits and brings about ease in our own lives as well.
Yes.
Another very small but extremely significant change was drinking out of glass bottles.
Yeah.
So it The energy of the water remains intact in glass bottles. The visual appeal which the water gives in a glass bottle actually has helped to drink more water
Yeah.
during the day.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And somehow the water tastes sweeter.
Yes, it tastes sweeter. And we add lemon also sometimes. We
Yeah.
add mint or coriander or something to charge the water. Sometimes we say I love you to the water. And just it remains so good. Another small change is, it's just a fun change for you. Because a lot of the cosmetics that we put on our body, our skin absorbs them. It goes inside our body and it hurts the body. So the cosmetics, if you change it to Ayurvedic ones, like the one that we are holding, so first of all, you start feeling good and the skin starts feeling good. There are no breakouts and events with your skin. This is just a small beautiful change for you.
So look good and feel good at the same time.
Yes.
We believe that everybody has the potential to influence change. Because the only change that we need to bring about is within us. Keep conversing with the seekers. Thank you.
Subscribe to our channel.